My name's Jamie, and I work as a smart meter engineer for Octopus Energy. Yeah, yeah. We've just been looking to do rent to rent. I'm with my JV partner. His name's Tion, and yeah, that's pretty much what we've been doing so far. Yeah.
How's the education been?
Oh, the education's been good. We joined the academy, as you can see, and yeah, it's been helpful. We've spoken to mentors on the phone, and there's a lot of things that are a lot of support there, basically, with deals and advice and even agreements. There's just so much stuff there, resources. That's the best way to put it. There's a lot of resources for us to utilize. But I think with academy, it's about how you apply yourself as well. Because one thing I realized, if you just sit back and you don't do anything, it's like you can't expect it to fall into your lap. But if you actually utilize everything that it's given you, you can go far, man. And there's a lot of networking as well, and yeah, being around like-minded people. Yeah.
So then would you recommend this kind of environment?
Definitely. It's good to just birds with a feather flock together. So when you're around people who are on the same timing as you, it's it's easy to have your mind in that space. Is that if you're around people who are just talking about football all the time, that's all you're going to think about. If you're around people talking about property, that's what you're going to think about. And it's just being here, mingling with the right people. It's just very helpful, man. Very helpful. And I would definitely recommend it to other people. Definitely.